Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this bento lunchbox. It could be something you are looking for. Alright, let's check it out. Let's take a look at this lunchbox. This is a 3-layer lunchbox. So far it looks pretty nice. It feels durable and strong. Nice smooth finishing all around. This lunchbox is made out of food grade materials and is BPA free. Let's check out these tabs. Tabs are good. Seems durable. Don't have to worry about spilling. Holds all the layers together nice and tight. This comes with cutlery, which is nice. It's a bonus. Plastic cutlery. Now this first layer, the volume is 250 milliliters. You can put your napkins here too if you like. Now the second layer holds about 700 milliliters. And it also has a leak-proof silicone ring. You put your soups or liquids and it should not spill. Now this last layer holds 900 milliliters. Total volume is 1.9 liters. It's pretty nice. I'm a guy that eats a lot of food, and this bento box should hold enough food for my work.